Small habits, big change. Success doesn't happen overnight. It happens through small, daily decisions. While tiny habits may seem insignificant at first, they become incredibly powerful when repeated consistently. 1. Why small habits beat motivation. Motivation is fleeting. It is unstable and temporary. Habits, however, depend on routine rather than mood. Ease leads to repetition. Easy actions are more likely to be repeated. Repetition creates a habit which shapes your identity, which ultimately produces results. Lowering resistance. Starting small reduces mental friction and builds immediate confidence. 2. Consistency over intensity. Intensity is short-term. Pushing yourself extremely hard for a few days doesn't create lasting change. Consistency wins. Doing small actions daily, even when you're tired, is what builds results. It works silently, like roots growing underground before a plant breaks the surface. 3. How to make habits stick. Start extremely small. For example, commit to just 5 minutes of reading. Habit stacking. Attach a new habit to an existing one, e.g., after I brush my teeth, I will read for 5 minutes. Remove friction. Make good habits easy to start and bad habits difficult to access. Track progress. Use a calendar to never break the chain. 4. Building discipline and confidence. Keeping promises. Discipline is simply doing what you said you would do. Self-respect. Completing small tasks sends a message to your brain that you are reliable, which builds deep self-trust and quiet confidence. 5. The compound effect. The 1% rule. Improving by just 1% every day results in massive growth over a year due to compounding. A double-edged sword. This works for bad habits too. Small negative choices accumulate into significant problems over time. 6. Removing bad habits. Awareness. You can't change what you don't notice. Identify your triggers, boredom, stress. Replacement. It is easier to replace a bad habit with a positive one than to simply try to stop. Increase friction. Make your bad habits inconvenient, e.g., keep your phone in another room. 7. Staying consistent when you feel lazy. Shrink the task. Laziness is often just mental resistance to a big goal. If you feel lazy, commit to doing the task for only 5 minutes. Decide once. Don't debate with yourself every morning. Make the habit a fixed part of your schedule to avoid decision fatigue. 8. Life-changing habits to start today. Wake up with intention. Set one small goal for the day. Practice gratitude. Think of 3 good things before bed. Skill improvement. Spend 20 minutes on a skill like English. Physical movement. 10 to 15 minutes of walking or stretching. Read. 10 minutes of a book daily to improve your thinking. Final thought. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your habits.
Like and subscribe to the channel.